Bondi House by Nick Bell Architects in North Bondi, Australia. Text description provided by the architects. A family home producing more energy than it consumes, NatHERS 8.3 star. With sustainability at the core of this design, Bondi House is a timeless and smart family home that is cool in summer, warm in winter, and cozy in between. The house produces more energy than it consumes and saves water and electricity. Large sliding doors within the front and rear facade create a fluid relationship between indoor and outdoor areas, and evoke a relaxed beach vibe commensurate with its surroundings in Bondi Beach. Key elements such as the use of off-form concrete, timber cladding, and sculptural stairs were carefully considered to uplift the overall design and create focal points as well as a warm palette within interiors and exteriors. The aim of this project was to create a long-term family home that could evolve with the needs of the family over time and provide a warm and welcoming space for its users and guests. Sustainability was one of the core principles of the brief, with the goal of designing a home that was cool in summer, warm in winter, and cozy in between. The design was also to establish an easy transition from inside to out to allow for a relaxed indoor-outdoor lifestyle. Sustainability is featured in all decision-making. Here is how they are keeping their home cool in summer and warm in winter while minimizing emissions. NatHERS 8.3 rating. Aspect: living areas and main bedroom facing north. Adjustable louvers over a north-facing external living space provide shade for hotter months and allow the sun in during winter. Walls, highly insulated, over and above minimum requirements. Roof and ceilings, highly insulated, over and above minimum requirements. Thermal mass to store embodied energy, achieved by incorporating PCM, phase change material, within the external timber-framed walls. Double-glazed high-performance glass windows. Thermally broken aluminum windows frames. First-floor roof form that provides thorough ventilation to bedrooms and double-aspect natural lighting. Solar, 37 solar panels on the rooftop, achieving optimum solar gains. Stabilitron heat pump system plus storage supplying hot water, hydronic underfloor heating in winter plus pool heating. Apricus ETC 30T tube collectors to improve energy efficiency. BYD 10.2 kilowatts DC battery. Fronius Watt Pilot, solar, electric vehicle charging. Energy efficient lighting and appliances. Thermal separation of the basement from living areas. Minimized circulation space to reduce building footprint. Avoiding oversized rooms. 4,000 L tank installed to maximize water savings. Rainwater tanks connected to flush toilets, washing machines, external taps, and irrigation. Low water use tap and shower fittings. Air. Filtered ventilated air system used the same ducts as the air conditioner, ensuring fresh air intake and to positively pressurizing the home.